We've been reporting on the case of a husband and wife from Georgia who vanished last week while they were trying to buy their dream car off Craigslist. Moments ago, the sheriff announced that this suspect now faces murder charges. Investigators arrested him yesterday after they say they found the victims' bodies next to their SUV in South Georgia. And they say both of them died of gunshot wounds to the head. Those investigators say last week the couple went on a road trip to buy a 1966 Mustang, a convertible, driving some 3 hours from their home outside Atlanta to South Georgia and the city of McRae. Their family reported them missing the next day after they didn't show up to babysit their grandkids. The suspect in this case is a guy named Jay Towns, and that's his mugshot. The sheriff says he was the last person to talk to the couple on the phone, and the sheriff says there is no evidence the suspect ever even owned a 1966 Mustang. He's now facing murder and robbery charges. Criminal defense attorney Drew Findling joins us live now from Atlanta. Man, I don't know how you do better checking on things like this before you make a road trip, Drew.
Well, I'll tell you, this is really the inherent risk about something like Craigslist as opposed to just going to an automobile sales used car lot or any type of car lot. Driving a long distance with a lot of cash is an invitation to a problem, particularly when there are scheming, murderous type people out there that are willing to commit crimes like this. It's allegedly it's been committed, but wow, is this some scary stuff or what?
Again, the sheriff says this guy never owned the car. He just put up this bogus listing, presumably hoping to draw someone in, steal from them, and then, I mean, maybe he had planned in advance to kill whoever it was, but you'd have to guess something went wrong. How difficult a prosecution would this be?
Well, I think that, props to the way this has been handled from the beginning. If you notice, they didn't do the whole premature, let's just charge you with murder and get a bunch of publicity. They waited to get positive identification of the victims. They have probably had a long interrogation of this gentleman. I would not be surprised if he's either made a confession or made such inconsistent statements that when they compare them to the known facts, and that is there was telephonic communication between him and the purchasers, they knew he was lying, and if they knew he was lying and the car was found on a pond near his property with their identified bodies, 2 + 2 is obviously going to be equal to 4 in this instance.
Drew Findling from Atlanta. Nice to see you, Drew. Thanks.